Hey, welcome back to my channel. And today we'll be doing a source code review and debugging. And there are few things which I'll be using. Uh, I'll be using Docker for the PHP setup. I'll be using the Xdebug, executables for remote debugging. And I'll not today. I'll not be teaching how to install them. You will, you will easily find the Docker images and the configuration related search on the Google. So I don't want to spoon feed you. So it will be best if you go and search on the internet, and then it will give you more information, and it will make you more familiar with the debugging environment. It's very useful to do that. Today, the configuration which I'll be using a Docker image for the PHP. You can download it from the Docker Hub, and I'll be taking a simple PHP code where different restriction for a particular file type are put, and how we bypass them, and how we how we are going to understand what is required to do a file upload bypass, and we'll see that how it works behind the scene, or how it works on the code. So let's just start it. So as you can see that the debugger is on, and let's just see the debugger is attached to the file, and I think we need to fire up the burp. So the intercept is on, and now let's go to the real file. So I must close this developer console. Let me see. It is okay. I'll forward it. Okay, so this is our application on which we'll be doing the debugging and the source code reviewing. So let's just go there and open and upload a image file. So I'll be opening it. Okay, so here's the simple image file. Open it, and I think the debugging session is on. Okay, so the breakpoint are there, and then the burp is on. Okay, so let's just upload this. Okay, so it goes in the burp interceptor. So right now we are seeing that the file name is we have not altered anything in the file, not even the form. The file name is simple image.png, and the content type is image/png. Right now we'll see how our normal request goes through the code. How it navigates through the code. So we'll forward it, and we see that I put the breakpoint on this line. So right now we need to anticipate a few things, and we'll see while going through the code, like if is our assumption is good or not. So this is the meme so these are the file types which are permitted to be uploaded. So these are the files, and if any file which is not of these types, it will be rejected, and it won't get uploaded. Right now I'm on this. So the file, let me see the file name. Okay, okay, so this is the file name which we recently sent through the interceptor. The file name. So let's just let's just go one step further. This is step into. Okay, so the file name is image.png. Okay, the file. Okay, as you can see in the command. Let me open the command also. HTTP. Okay, so this is one. I think this is one. This is the one. Okay, okay, this is the one. Okay, so the file name is simple image.png, and content type image/png. So we'll be playing it with it, but right now as we are going through a simple simple unaltered file, then we'll be assuming that this will pass it. Okay, so image. Okay, let's just go one step further. Okay, I think there's no error in the file, so we'll be going in the inner loop of if statement. Okay, so this is good, this is good, this is Okay, so okay, so the extension name. Okay, we'll go. So we'll see that extension name is .png. Okay. So right now, as we can see that there is no code which is checking the extension. There is only one initialization of the extension, but it is not being checked in the code. That's a good sign, and I think we can bypass the file upload restriction in this code. So let me just go one step further. Okay, okay, okay. So the extension is concatenated in this code. Okay, okay. I think we are done with the code, and let me see. Oh, our file is uploaded. Okay, so as we navigate through the code, we know that there are we noted down 2 points. The extension is not being checked anywhere in the code. It is being directly concatenated on this line. So it's a very useful thing. Second, the meme verif is this. These are the types which we need. I mean, we need to have these kind of what you call. I think this will be the content type. We must. We must have our altered file in this type of content. So right, we can change the extension of that file because it is not being checked in the code, but we need to keep this value. So now we have like anticipated how the code is working. So let's just change uh, image file and change the extension. Like I copied this file and changed its name to test.php. The file is same. So like I have changed this file and change this file with a simple hex editor and put down my PHP code in the file. So the file type is still PNG. As you can see, the header information of that file is still the image of PNG file type. So so why I do this, because whenever the file whenever you check the file, the MIM content type, it will be checked through the headers which are present in the file. So the information present at the topmost of the file with the header information will going to be checked. So I have not changed uh, any header information because we require the content type image slash png. So it's very essential to do this. So okay, so I put my php system code and it will be showing you the directories. Okay, so let's just go back to the application. Okay, why we are getting timeout? Okay, so intercept is there. Okay, so let's just go one more time and try to upload our altered code. Okay, so this is let me put on the intercept. Okay, so browse, I'll go to desktop, I'll be checking the test.php, I'll open it. Okay, so the intercept is on, upload. Okay, let me see that. Okay, so now as our browser identified that it's a .php file, so it's putting the content type text slash php. So as we know, only these files are allowed to get uploaded. So what we will do is that we are going to change this to image.png. As I've told you that the header information contained by the file is of PNG headers, so we must need to do that. The extension is not being checked, we can go with it. Okay, so let me see the, okay, so the debugger is on, so let me forward it. Okay, so the file, let me, Okay, sorry, I put the C. Okay, let me delete it. The file meme type is image.png. So the file contains PHP code, but it is still a PNG file. So we have okay. Let me. I think we can. I mean, we can bypass this because our MIM type is PNG. Okay. Okay, we bypass it. So there is no error. We can go into the loop and okay. Okay. Path info extension. As you can see, our extension is still PHP, so we don't have any problem, and the extension is not being checked. Okay, okay, okay. I just okay. I think we have uploaded the file. Let me see the file. I'll go in app. Okay, the file is uploaded to the application directory. Now let me grab the file name and check it on. I mean, you can I mean have your file through LFI, RFI, or any other vulnerabilities. I'm just showing you that how to bypass the file upload restriction. So the file upload bypass to get that file work, you need LFI or any other vulnerability. So it's just a demo. So don't think that it's the real way. So it just the video is there just to know the concept of how the bypass works in the code. Okay, so the local host, and I'll paste the file. Let me see, the interceptor is on. No, I'm not on it. Okay, so let's just see. Okay, so as you can see, the file are listed here, so we can execute the PHP code. As you can see in the hex editor of ours that we have put this PHP code on the file. So this is how the vulnerability works in the code, and I'm putting every related link in the video description, uh, uh, so you can know how to set up the the app configurations, the debugging environment. I think it's very essential to learn vulnerability through code so that you can have a better chance or probability to get the bugs. Okay, so that was the video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.